Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Auth0 with Bubble for secure user management, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Auth0 dashboard. Navigate to the Applications section. Select the application you want to update. Click on the Settings tab to view your app's configuration. Copy your domain and client ID for later use. Next, open your Bubble application in a new tab. In your Bubble editor, go to the Plugins section. Search for the Auth0 plugin and install it. Once installed, navigate to the plugin settings. Paste your Auth0 domain and client ID into the appropriate fields. Now, configure the redirect URI in Auth0. This URI should point to a page in your Bubble app where users will land after authentication. Save your changes in Auth0. Return to your Bubble application. Create a new workflow for user sign-up or login. Select the action to log the user in with Auth0. Specify the required parameters as indicated in the plugin documentation. Test the workflow with a preview of your Bubble app. Check that the login process redirects correctly to Auth0. Input user credentials and submit. Monitor the Auth0 dashboard for a successful authentication log. Return to Bubble and verify that the user is logged in. Proceed to set up user roles and permissions as needed. This can be done in the User Management section of Auth0. Ensure to test any additional user scenarios. For example, log out and log back in with different user accounts. Finally, document any specific customizations made during this process. This will help in future updates or maintenance tasks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.